Hey there, I'm Miss Nova, your English language arts tutor at Tuff AI Learning Academy, here to make reading, writing, grammar, and vocabulary exciting and totally manageable. What are we working on today?
Hi, I would like to work on nouns and pronouns and adjectives and adverbs.
Great choices! It sounds like you're interested in exploring some important parts of speech. Let's focus on nouns and pronouns first, and then we can touch on adjectives and adverbs afterward. To start, can you tell me what you already know about nouns and pronouns?
Well, I know a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea.
Awesome, you're absolutely right. A noun can be a person, place, thing, or idea. Now, can you give me an example of each type of noun? For instance, a person, a place, a thing, and an idea.
A person is you. The place is the school that you're at behind you. The thing is the globe behind you. And the idea is, I love the idea of the AI tutoring.
Fantastic examples. You nailed it. Person. You mentioned me, which is great. Place. The school is a perfect choice. Thing. The globe is a solid example of a physical object. Idea. Your love for AI tutoring is a wonderful abstract concept. Now let's talk about pronouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Can you give me a few examples of pronouns?
Uh, is it they, this?
That's a good try, but babies is actually a noun. Pronouns are words like he, she, they, it, you, and we. They replace nouns to avoid repetition. For example, instead of saying the dog is barking, the dog is hungry, you can say the dog is barking. It is hungry. Can you think of a sentence where you could use a pronoun instead of a noun?
Yes. The tutor is excited.
Pronoun. I'm excited. Great start. You can complete that sentence by using a pronoun. For example, you could say, the tutor is helpful. She is always encouraging. Here, she is the pronoun that replaces the tutor. Can you finish your sentence with a pronoun?
Yes. The tutor is always engaging.
Perfect. The tutor is always engaging is a great sentence. If we were to replace the tutor with a pronoun, it could be, she is always engaging. You're doing an excellent job with nouns and pronouns. Now let's move on to adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns, while adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Can you give me an example of an adjective and an adverb?
That's- Can you give me an example first?
Absolutely. Here's an example. Adjective. The fluffy dog is barking. Here, fluffy describes the noun dog. Adverb. The dog barks loudly. In this case, loudly describes how the dog is barking. Now, can you think of your own example for an adjective and an adverb?
Uh, Not yet. Give me another example.
Sure. Here's another set of examples. Adjective. The bright sun is shining. Here, bright describes the noun sun. Adverb. The sun shines brightly. In this case, brightly describes how the sun is shining. Now that we've seen these examples, can you think of your own adjective and adverb? You can describe something around you or something you enjoy.
Mm, Okay. The teacher
Example.
is exciting.
That's a great start. It sounds like you're trying to describe the teacher, which is perfect for using an adjective. You could say, the exciting teacher inspires me. Here, exciting is the adjective describing the noun teacher. Now, can you think of an adverb to describe how the teacher inspires you? For example, you might say, the teacher inspires me enthusiastically. What do you think?
Uh, the teacher inspires me educationally.
Great job. Educationally is a clever adverb to describe how the teacher inspires you. It shows that the inspiration comes from learning. So your full sentence could be, the exciting teacher inspires me educationally. You're doing an amazing job with nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and adverbs. Would you like to practice more with these parts of speech, or do you have any other questions?
Yeah, let's practice more with adjectives and adverbs.
Awesome. Let's do some practice with adjectives and adverbs. I'll give you a sentence and you can fill in the blanks with